there is no reason for you to not be making money online. And for those of you who were like, if you feel like, oh, I have no idea where to start, get my guide. I tell you where to start. Listen, and even if you don't get my guide, go look at my page. 2018, I realized that like the 9-to-5 life, the job life was just not for me. Like I got to a point where I was like, what the fuck kind of shit is this that I have to ask somebody permission to take off work? Like this is crazy. And I also realized how miserable I was and how like toxic how toxic the work culture is in the US, where it's like hustle, hustle, hustle. Even when you're sick, you don't want to take off work. I mean, like, I've literally been on calls where, like, people have, like, sounded like they were on their fucking deathbeds, and I'm like, why are you here? But that's U.S. work culture. And, I got to a point where I was like, these jobs really do not give a fuck about us. They don't. So, like, they don't. Like, I mean, after being unexpectedly fired, laid off, and having to quit a job this was all in, like, a 3-year window, I was like, this is crazy. Like, it's crazy to be depending on just one stream of income. And it's especially crazy when that stream of income is a job. Like, y'all, I was like, I'm not doing this no more. So I started working on having multiple streams of income. And like I said, now I have 10 streams of income that I can do from anywhere in the world. And I teach other people how to do it too. I have a guide. It's called the Cash Flow Come Up Checklist. And there are like 20 different income streams and side hustles. Look how beautiful this water is. Like income streams and side hustles that y'all can do. And like I specifically made this guide because like after talking to so many people and realizing like so many people really don't realize that there's money everywhere. There's money to be made everywhere. And so like that's why I made the guide, because I was like, I'm gonna show people. You can literally go invest in that guide. Y'all, it's $9. I priced it that fucking low because like this is how determined I am to like prove it to y'all. Like you can go sign up for that guide and like there's like income streams in it. You can make your money back. Like, I literally just want to show people that, like, it's time for you to, like, empower yourself. It's time for you to start putting your own financial well-being in your hands and stop depending on jobs. Like, nobody got wealthy at their fucking job. The people who are wealthy, y'all, like, we're the ones who are working for them. So, my Cash Flow Come Up guide to get started, like, it's a little $9 investment that will change your life. Because there truly is nothing more empowering than whenever you start bringing in money for yourself. And I promise you, it's one of those things where like it continues to build. Like once it starts happening, you start bringing in more money and then more money, and your money is making money for you. Whenever I started off, like I would be so happy to be like make like $5 fucking dollars, because it was like this was my $5, and if I can make 5, I can make 10, and if I can make 10, I can make 20. So there's levels, right? There's levels to everything. So whenever I started off, I was mostly doing like coaching and consulting, and coaching and consulting are really great because you can charge pretty much whatever the hell you want, and it's like very lucrative, but it's still trading time for money. So again, you can do things like coaching and consulting, and if like you haven't made money on your own, that's a great place to start. Then you work your way up and you start learning other income streams. Like I wake up and like money was made. Either fully passive or like semi-passive, or like I might make money from like videos that I recorded a few days ago, or like for like Amazon, I make money every single day from Amazon for videos I uploaded last year, y'all. So like there's levels to everything, and I promise you there is nothing like waking up and seeing that you made money while you were asleep, when you made money while you were on the toilet. I'm making money while I'm out traveling and like talking to y'all. Like passive income, y'all, that's a whole other level. Like check out the Cash Flow Come Up checklist, because I promise you, like it will change your life. And like I said before, start where you are. Like if you get the checklist, go through it, but like y'all, don't just go buy it and then be like, okay, this was cool. No, actually go through it. I even made a video, y'all. I made a video to walk y'all through it. I didn't even just be like, oh, here's a guide, figure it out. Like I literally walk you through the guide to show you, this is how you can do this. These are side hustles that I have done. These are ones that I recommend. These are ones that I would do if I was this. I would do this if I had more time than money. I would do this if I had more money than time. If you're an introvert, you can do this. Let me slow down. I've been a fast talker my whole life, but I be trying to like, when I'm talking to people, I be trying to remember to slow it down. But yeah, y'all check out the Cash Flow Come Up checklist, because I made it for y'all. People are like, how are you traveling? How are you not having to worry about work? How are you, like making money? Like, because I built these income streams. Did it happen overnight? Absolutely not. But it happened, and it's still happening, y'all. I'm just getting started. I am just getting started, and I have started, y'all. I have tried and failed so many things in entrepreneurship. So human out here. I have tried and failed at so many different things. And like, that's why I feel so grateful to be at a point now where I feel like I finally figured out what really works for me. Like affiliate marketing and like digital marketing, like y'all, game changer, because literally you can work, y'all, I work like a couple hours a day, like 4 days a week. I mean, it depends. Sometimes I get in like a workaholic mode. I do work more than that, but that's because like I want to, y'all. Like I love doing that shit. I'm not bending over backwards for no job. You got me fucked up. That's just not me no more. I be seeing people out here going to work early and like leaving late, and I'm like, for what? I'm not doing that shit. But for me, absolutely. And it is honestly like the most rewarding thing. Bitch, you don't shut that shit up. Let me shut up.